The problem with the SDA 2300-year prophecy, Daniel chapter 9 verse 25, math simplified. This video will focus on calculating the 69 weeks of Daniel 9:25, but we will only be calculating the years. To keep the math simple, we will not be calculating the exact day. We will begin our calculations in 445 BC. Some believe the commandment to rebuild Jerusalem was given in 444 BC, and that's okay. This method works for both years. We will be using the prophetic 360-day year for our calculations, as mentioned in Daniel and Revelations. All we are doing is converting the 69 weeks, or 483 years, to 360-day years. Step 1. First, we multiply 483 times 360 to get 173,880, and this is the grand total of days for the prophecy. Step 2. From 445 BC, when the commandment to rebuild Jerusalem is given, to 45 BC, when the Julian calendar is established, it is exactly 400 years. So we multiply 400 times 365 to get 146,000, or as I labeled it here, Egyptian total. Step 3. To keep things simple, we will calculate from 45 BC to 1 AD, or what would have been year 0. So we multiply 45 years times 1 Julian year, which is 365.25, and we get 16,436.25, or as I labeled it here, BC to AD total. Step 4. We take the grand total of days for the prophecy, and we subtract the Egyptian total, and we subtract the BC to AD total, and we get 11,443.75, and these are the days left for the prophecy. Step 5. We take our new grand total and we divide it by 1 Julian year, and we get 31.33, and this is the new grand total converted into years. Final step. We add 31 to 1 AD, and we get 32 AD as the year Jesus Christ was crucified, the same as the last video. Or if you believe the commandment to rebuild Jerusalem was given in 444 BC, you just add a year and you would get 33 AD. Either way, the math would work for both methods. Why does it matter? There are many intelligent theologians and scholars that have suggested a variety of different years for Jesus Christ's crucifixion, but none would make the year of Jesus' crucifixion a test of faith. Most would agree knowing Jesus Christ died to save us is enough, as far as the crucifixion is concerned. But logically, if you don't believe Jesus died in 31 AD, then you would not believe the investigative judgment began in 1844. Although, even if you do believe 31 AD as being the year Jesus was crucified, if you have watched my previous videos, you know the math still wouldn't add up to 1844.